Welcome to Total Technik. Today we're going to be showing you how you can adjust the brightness, contrast and colour saturation for the reversing camera on your MMI system. Now, to be able to adjust the brightness on your reversing camera system, you are going to need some diagnostic software. What we're using here, this is VCDS, which is an excellent piece of software for working on both Audi and VW models. However, it doesn't need to be this particular software. You can use any diagnostic software as long as it can access the control modules. So let's have a look at the process we need to follow to be able to adjust our reverse camera. So first we want to go to Select Control Module. And next we want to look for the module which is 6C. I think it's on this menu here. There we go. 6C, our first one there, backup camera. So next we're going to click number 16, Security Access. And here it's telling us that we need to enter a security code to be able to enter the adaptation section. But thankfully they've given that security code to us right there, 22351. So we enter that code, 22351, and click Do It. Security access accepted, OK. So now we can go ahead and click number 10, Adaptation. On this drop down list at the top here, we've got all of our options for our rear camera. You can even calibrate things like height and distance and things of that nature, but the ones that we are focusing on are the brightness, contrast and saturation. So let's have a look at brightness first of all. So here it's showing us that our stored value is 50, and right here it's showing us we have a range between 0 and 100, and it said the standard setting is 50. And 50 is what we already have saved in there. So right now it's on the factory standard. Let's say, for example, you wanted to make that darker. Let's say we want to go from 50 down to 10. We would change here and the new value section, type in 10. Then we'd hit the test. And you'll notice when I hit the test, when you do this, if you have your car in reverse at the same time that you do this, you'll notice that the screen should go darker. So another example here, if we want to make an adjustment to our contrast, click the contrast option here. Our stored value is currently 50. So if we wanted to reduce that, let's say I want to drop that down to 20, I would do that, and then when I click my test button, we should see an adjustment on our screen. And unfortunately, what you'll notice, it doesn't allow you to change this multiple times and test it each time, which is a little bit frustrating. You've kind of got to do it, test it, have a look at it, see if you like it, and then if you don't like it, you have to kind of come through the system and adjust it again. You can't just to keep adjusting the figure down here. So it can take a little bit of time, but if you fiddle around with this, after kind of about 10 minutes or so, you should get it exactly as you want. And there we have it. That is how you make the adjustments to your reverse camera. If this video has been helpful for you, we always ask you to take 1 second out of your busy schedule just to be sure to hit that like button for us. It really does help us out. Likewise, be sure to take a look at our channel and also our website totaltechnik.com, and we'll see you on the next video.